Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Dell monitor to MacBook instant fix step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring that your Dell monitor is powered on. Locate the appropriate cable for connecting your Dell monitor to your MacBook. Depending on your MacBook model, this could be HDMI, USB-C, or mini DisplayPort. If your cable is compatible with both devices, connect one end to the monitor. Connect the other end of the cable to your MacBook. If using an adapter, attach it to your MacBook before connect. Once connected, navigate to your MacBook's desktop. Click on the Apple menu located in the top left corner. Select System Preferences from the drop-down menu. In the System Preferences window, click on Displays. Hold down the Option key to see the Detect Displays button. Click on Detect Displays if your MacBook doesn't automatically recognize the monitor. Adjust the display settings as needed, such as resolution and arrangement. If you wish to extend your display, select the Arrangement tab. Drag the display boxes to match the physical layout of your screens. Adjust the resolution settings if the image is not displaying correctly. After completing these steps, your Dell monitor should be successfully connected to your MacBook. Enjoy your expanded workspace or mirrored display for presentations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.